Hello, Eco Warriors. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're sharing some simple yet powerful zero waste tips that you can easily incorporate into your everyday life. Let's get started. First up, always carry a reusable bag with you. Whether you're grocery shopping or picking up a few items from the store, having a reusable bag on hand can significantly reduce the need for single-use plastic bags. Next, ditch plastic straws and opt for reusable ones instead. You can find straws made from stainless steel, glass, or even bamboo. They are easy to clean and can be used over and over again. Invest in a good quality reusable water bottle. Not only will this help reduce plastic waste, but it will also keep you hydrated throughout the day. Stainless steel or BPA-free plastic bottles are great options. When possible, buy your groceries in bulk. Bring your own containers to the store and fill them with grains, nuts, and other dry goods. This way, you can avoid excess packaging and only buy what you need. Start composting your food scraps. Composting not only reduces waste but also creates nutrient-rich soil for your garden. If you don't have a backyard, consider using a countertop compost bin or a worm composting system. Replace paper towels and napkins with cloth alternatives. Cloth napkins and towels can be washed and reused countless times, making them a sustainable choice for your home. Switch to bar soap and shampoo bars instead of liquid products in plastic bottles. These bars often come in minimal or compostable packaging and last longer, reducing both waste and cost. Create your own cleaning products using natural ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. Not only are they effective, but they're also free of harmful chemicals and come with zero waste. When dining out or ordering takeout, bring your own containers. Many restaurants are happy to accommodate, and this small step can make a big difference in reducing single-use packaging. Before throwing something away, think about whether it can be repaired or upcycled. Fixing broken items or repurposing them for new uses helps extend their life and keeps them out of landfills. There you have it, Eco Warriors. 10 simple zero-waste tips to help you live more sustainably every day. Remember, every small action counts towards a healthier planet. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Together, we can make a difference. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.